hearing a dinosaur. You might hear a dinosaur. Okay, I apologize. Okay, not a real dinosaur, a toy dinosaur. Okay, now what do you think is solvent Q? There is no acidic properties at all here. What do you think is solvent Q?
Organic solvent.
Okay, very good. It must be an organic solvent. And I mentioned in this morning's class, okay, you must have some organic solvent that you have already memorized. Give me one example of a organic solvent that you have memorized.
Benzene.
Okay,
Tetrachloromethane.
okay, methyl benzene. First of all, I want to give Hurin 1 mark, and then I want to give Caroline 1 mark, and then I want to give Mukni 1 mark. Okay, tetrachloromethane. Hurin, I know that you wanted to say something. Hurin, carry on.
Propanone.
Okay, propanone, correct. Okay, there are many more. You can actually say others. It's fine. I'm just giving you a few. Okay, now if teacher puts in magnesium ribbon into acid here, magnesium, yeah, what can I observe?
Is it hydrogen gas?
Yes, it is correct. You're going to get hydrogen gas, but that's not an observation. So in exam, your answer is correct but wrong. I'll give you 0.
Okay.
Sorry? What did you say?
Is it bubbles?
Yes, correct. More 1 mark for yourself. Gas bubbles are released. Okay, how many of you don't know what Puan Shina is talking about?
Teacher.
Okay, Naim, yeah? Okay, I don't know whether my open board is not here anymore already. Okay, never mind. Then teacher will use whiteboard. Okay, now acid got 3 properties. Acid can react with, remember, MC. We don't do maths? Okay, you do others, okay? Very good. Okay, remember MC. Okay, what is remember? What is RM? Acid will react with what?
Reactive metals.
Very good, Mardia. Acid will react with reactive metal. 1 mark for you. Acid will react with reactive metal. What do I get?
Salt and hydrogen gas.
Very good. I will get salt and hydrogen gas. Very good, Farah. Okay, I'm going to give you an example. 1 mark Farah, 1 mark Mardia. So example will be sulfuric acid. Okay, plus with my magnesium. Teacher will get magnesium sulfate plus hydrogen gas. Naim, are you following, Naim?
Yes, teacher. Writing down.
Okay, so this is number 1. Okay, Adib. Adib, are you here, Adib?
Yes, yes.
Okay, Adib, acid also boleh bertindak dengan B. B ni apa, Adib? Kau tak tahu, cakap tak tahu. No problem, Adib.
Tak ingat je.
Okay, tak ingat. Bagus lah, honest. Okay, who wants to help Adib?
Base je.
Very good. Munira, 1 mark there. Acid will react with base. It's like same like acid and alkaline. What must I get?
Salt and water.
Okay, salt plus water. Farah, was that you, Farah? Also?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so I give 1 mark Munira, 1 mark Farah again, yeah? Okay, so give me an example. Teacher will take sulfuric acid plus, teacher maybe take sodium hydroxide. I am going to get what class? You tell me. By now, you should be able to do this already. What is my salt here?
Sodium sulfate.
Okay, I me 1 mark there. I me how to write sodium sulfate, my chemical formula. Anybody can help I me also if I me cannot, don't worry.
Is it Na2SO4?
Correct. Na2SO4. Caroline, teach Caroline, how come?
Because Na is Na plus, and then SO4 is SO4 2 minus, and then there are sila, and you get Na2SO4.
Okay. I me dapat tak I me?
Yes, sir.
Okay, actually maybe you dapat tapi tak sempat nak cakap
Tak, sir.
Okay, that means you didn't know. All right. Okay, so plus with water. So how to balance it? I got Na2 here. What do I need to do?
Put 2 in front of NA.
Okay, Naim, 1 mark. I put 2 in front of Na. Perfect. You got your second. So you remember already RM done, B done. Okay, acid can also react with MC. What is MC?
Metal carbonate.
Okay, Nick, another 1 more mark there for you. So I plus with metal carbonate. Okay, so this one is one of my favorites. Okay, so let's say again, teacher takes sulfuric acid. Can you bring the dinosaur away, please? Thank you so much. Okay, I react with calcium carbonate. Teacher will get what? Who can tell me? Side products. What is my side product? Kalau ada carbon,
Ya,
yeah?
yang equation nombor 2 ni bukan H2O pun kena tak 2 ke?
Betul-betul. Cikgu pun lupa. The 2, I must have 2 here. Teacher also forgot. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, can. So you can have 2 H2O here. Mugi, you're correct, Mugi.
Thank you, Chair.
Okay. Give Mugni 1 more extra mark there. Yeah, thank you, Mugni. Teacher was too fast just now. I didn't check also properly. Thank you. Okay, so when I have carbonate, I must always release that gas. What gas is that?
Carbon dioxide.
Okay, more 1 mark. Another thing that I must form. Side product first.
Water.
Okay, I mean, good job. 1 mark. Okay, then I take out carbon dioxide because CO2. Then water also came out, H2 plus the O there. What is left?
Salt.
Salt. Very good, Caroline. What's the name of my, what is the salt?
CaNSO4, calcium.
CaSO4. Correct, because Ca is 2 plus, SO4 is 2 minus. So you are going to get CaSO4. Class, do you understand this now?
Yes, Chair.
Okay, good. I'll go back to my question. So you must always remember acid got 3 chemical properties, which is remember MC. Okay, if you got another way to memorize, yeah, no problem whatsoever. You can use that method. Wait, where's my question? Oh, it's a Word document. Okay, there you go. All right. So then that's why you're getting that gas bubbles, because magnesium has reacted with an acid. So hydrogen gas is being released. Just now, Mo said hydrogen gas, right? Mo, did you say hydrogen gas, Mo?
Yes, Chair.
I cannot. That's an inference. If the next question is, what is the inference? Then you can say the gas bubbles is hydrogen gas. If they say what you observe is must be what you see. When you're looking at the gas bubbles, you don't know it's hydrogen gas. It could be oxygen. You never know. So you cannot state the name. Okay. One more thing actually happening. One more observation. What is it? It's got to do with my magnesium. What's happening to the magnesium? Teacher put the magnesium ribbon inside. Something is happening to my magnesium ribbon.
Does it dissolve?
Yes, correct. Yeah. So correct, because I'm using it at what? So magnesium ribbon dissolves and become thinner. Correct.
Teacher,
Well done.
why does it release bubbles?
You mean the first part here, gas bubbles are being released?
Yes, Chair.
Okay, because magnesium has reacted with ethanoic acid, oops, CH3COOH to produce okay, my salt here plus hydrogen gas. This hydrogen gas is my gas bubbles being released. Understand, Naeem?
Thank you.
Okay, my side product, my product that is being formed here, hydrogen gas, that is the gas bubbles. Class, do you understand?
Yes, Chair.
Okay, Naeem does. How about the rest of you?
Yes, Chair.
Okay, why does ethanoic acid have a pH of 4.8? How come? Okay, why ethanoic in solvent P has a pH value of 4.8. Why does it have a pH of 4.8? That means to say, why is it acidic? Why? Oh, why is it why not 1? Why not 3? Why is it 4.8?
Ionizes partially in water.
Correct. Okay, so but before you go there, you must also mention that solvent P is what? Solvent P is water, isn't it? Because it is water, therefore ionization can happen. Are you following what teacher is saying?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, so P is water. Then you mentioned that ethanoic acid. Very good. Vin, you get 1 mark. Ethanoic acid what? Does what? Ionize is a weak acid. Then what does it do, Vin? Carry on.
Ionizes in water partially.
Okay, ionizes partially in water. Okay, when it's ionizing partially in water, what is my concentration of hydrogen ions?
Weak.
Lower concentration of hydrogen ion.
To produce a lower concentration of hydrogen ions. Okay, so then you still never answer my question. What? Okay, why does it have 4.8? Right, so what is it that is showing the acidic properties? Is it my hydrogen ions?
Yes,
Yes, correct. Yeah, my hydrogen ions shows the acidic properties. So if you haven't printed this paper, never mind. Over the weekend, try to print 2-in-1 front and back. It's very good. This whole set of acid and base, you can do, you team acid and base. So settle for you. Very good.
Teacher.
Yes, Naim.
I can't read the word. Ionizes partially in water to produce a
Low concentration. Sorry. A low concentration of hydrogen ions.
then the hydrogen ion show the acidic properties.
Yeah, hydrogen ions shows the acidic properties, correct.
Teacher.
Okay, thank you. Speak up if you don't understand my writing. Okay, now look, from 0.5 mole, I'm going to 0.04 mole. What is that concept? What is that process? From Milo dinosaur, I'm going to pour Milo. What is that concept?
Dilution.
Dilution, correct. Cikgu tambah air. I am diluting it. Okay, dilution got one formula only. The formula is M1V1 is equals to M2V2. Okay, now listen carefully. When teacher add water into beaker J, what will be the pH value of hydrochloric acid here? Think first before you answer, teacher. When teacher add water into beaker J, okay? Teacher's adding water. What will happen to my pH value?
Will it increase, Teacher?
It will increase. Are y'all on Discord?
No. We are, but we're not discussing.
Can hear Mugni encouraging you jawab lah. Or some...
Saya tak cakap apa-apa je.
Yeah. Or...
Saya mute dalam Discord je. So saya tak cakap apa-apa.
Okay. It felt. Yeah? Maybe I'm wrong.
Tadi Zahir dengan Hasun yang cakap.
Okay. All right. So, it is increasing, yeah? Correct. Why increasing? Why must it increase? 1 mark more anyway, yeah?
Because when add water, the acid releases ion. I don't know what to say.
Cannot. When I'm talking about pH, whenever teacher talk about pH, I must talk about concentration of hydrogen ions. Whenever I talk about pH, I must talk about concentration of hydrogen ions. And it's always terbalik. When my pH is high, that means my concentration is low. When my concentration of hydrogen ions is high, my pH is low. Okay, can I have someone answering me the answer? Why has my pH increased?
Concentration of hydrogen ion decreases.
Very good. Okay, the concentration of hydrogen ions decreases. Any one of you who don't know what I just said, not sure, teacher don't get it, quickly say up your name. Speak up. Be brave. In life you must be brave if you don't understand.
Teacher.
Naim, yeah? Okay, so here you imagine it is Milo dinosaur. Wait, darling. Okay, Milo dinosaur. Teacher added water. Okay, and it became poor Milo. Okay, Milo dinosaur to poor Milo. Now you think about what teacher is saying. Yeah, here I put a lot of Milo. Okay, I have a lot of Milo. That's why it became Milo dinosaur. Now, if teacher adds a lot of Milo into this Milo dinosaur, teacher add a lot of water. What will happen to the concentration of my Milo here, Naim?
It will decrease.
It will decrease, same concept here. I have 0.5 mole per decimeter cube. Teacher add a lot of water inside. Okay, my concentration of my hydrogen will decrease. When the concentration decrease, that means it's not so acidic anymore. That's why my pH will become higher. Do you understand, Naim?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, class, do you understand, class?
Yes.
Yes,
sir.
Jeff.
Okay, wait, let me just put some password for John. John very smart. My classes only he will come and ask for all the games, all the password. Clever boy, this one. Okay, all right, so then they ask, calculate the volume of hydrochloric acid in beaker J. Okay, they need to prepare hydrochloric acid in beaker L. This one you don't get confused, don't stress. They're only asking you for dilution formula. Dilution formula only got one. M1 V1 is equals to M2 V2. Whenever you see the word adding water, only this formula you need to know. What did the question say? What is the formula of hydrochloric acid in beaker J? So in beaker J, even though they gave you the volume here, but this is not the volume I want. Okay, I must take a certain amount of volume out. Okay, and I must add in with water to get this amount. So now they're asking me, what is the amount of volume? M1 V1 is before dilution. M2 V2 is after dilution. Do we know already the answer I want for after dilution? Did they already give me 250 and 0 and 0.04? Did they already give me that, class?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I can just write it down. 0.04 and my V2 is 250. They asked me to find my V1. Do I already know my M1 already given to me, right? How much is my M1 here?
100.
Okay, 0.5, yeah? Win 1 mark, I me 1 mark. If I've missed out more, please listen, yeah, and let's give them the marks, yeah? So in order for teacher to find V1, 0.04 times 250 over 0.5. And teacher will get the answer. All of you take out your calculators and do now.
Uh, 20
100, Jeff.
centimeter.
Okay, Carolina, 20 centimeter cube, correct. Vin, what did you say, Vin? Vin, did you
I
say
think I
something?
calculated wrongly, Jeff.
What did you say?
I think I calculated wrongly.
Okay, you calculated it wrongly. Okay, never mind. So you follow the working teacher gave here, correct. The answer is 20 centimeter cube. Okay, we have only done one question. How do you feel doing one question? A bit more confident or not doing this kind of questions?
Sorry, teacher, where did 0.5 and 0.04 came from?
There, it's given in the question. Here, I got 0.5 as my M1 and my 0.04 is M2. You must never worry about this formula because the answers will always come from the question. Actually, chemistry is very simple. Answers always given to you. You must pandai cari for the answer. Okay? All right. Okay, now I'm going to go to my next question. Teacher want to try to attempt 3 questions, yeah? 3 questions. So stay tuned, yeah? Stay on board. Okay, I want to hear different voices. Okay, so solution X, I can turn from blue to red. I can conduct electricity. Solution Y, no visible change, cannot conduct electricity. I've been saying it so many times already. What is my X? Farisha. Farish. Cannot be. Maybe because also it didn't come this morning, yeah? Okay. Shira. Okay. Maybe Farah can help. What will solution X be, Farah?
Acid je.
Okay, cannot. You see, solvent can only be divided into 2. One is an organic solvent, one is water. It's okay. Good that you all give me not the correct answer so I can help you. Water will always help me to show any acidic properties. If you see the solution not having any visible change, cannot conduct electricity, that means there is an organic solvent present. Farah, teacher asks you again. What do you think is solvent X? Solvent X can turn blue to red, can conduct electricity. Is it water or is it an organic solvent?
Water.
Very good. Okay, good job. 1 mark, Farah. It is water. Okay, what is my solution Y? Anyone else giving me the answer?
Organic solvent.
Okay, it's an organic solvent. Give me an example of an organic solvent.
Tetrachloromethane.
Very good. It is tetrachloromethane, yeah? Hurin, you were the one that answered just now, right, Hurin?
No, Teacher.
No, sorry? Whose voice was that?
Munira.
Munira. Okay. Munira 1 mark, Naim 1 mark, yeah? Okay, now look at the next question. What is the type of particles present in solution X that makes it able to conduct electricity?
Electron.
Kepala otak engkau.
Molecule.
Ion.
Okay, wait. I heard Caroline first. Caroline, what?
Molecule.
Molecule kepala otak engkau. Okay,
Ion,
Naim.
ion.
Ion.
Ayah.
I say ion.
Ion.
Wait, that one Naim gave first, yeah? Okay, I already told you all before. I don't know how Mugni got electrons. Type of particle can, at least Caroline's answer is in the range, you know. Mugni, type of particle only missing in action.
Tak,
Mana?
je saya.
Tiba-tiba kau dapat E tu mana? Imia
Tak je sebab saya fikir electrons.
Okay, no, teacher just kidding.
Sebab
Yeah?
dia conduct electricity je.
Okay, tapi kena tengok soalannya. It's type of particles, but good try, yeah. Good try, Caroline. Good try, Mugni. Good job for answering me. So long, I never said the word kepala otak already. Wanted to say it today. Okay, so correct. Ions. Mugni, are you offended? I say that, Mugni?
Tak ada je kot.
Okay, all right. So good job with ions. Now, why? Why X is turning the blue litmus paper red? Why cannot?
Because alkali.
Solution X is acid.
You cannot get
Acidic.
any marks at all.
Okay.
Think some more. Okay, acid and then what? You see, I want to teach you. Solution X can turn blue litmus paper red. That means it is showing its acidic properties. Why is it showing its acidic properties? Why?
Presence of hydrogen ion.
Very good. I must have hydrogen ions present. So my answer must have hydrogen ion. Okay. Solution X ionizes in water. to produce hydrogen ions. This is the way you need to answer, which many students don't get it. What they want to see is the word ionizes in water, and then they want to see hydrogen ions. It is your hydrogen ions that is giving me the acidic properties. You tell me that solution X is acidic, no marks. You never explain to me the hydrogen ions. Okay, now you know one. How about the second one? Why solution Y cannot turn blue litmus paper to red? Oh, takut to answer, is it?
Is it solution Y ionizes in water to produce OH ions?
Solution Y kan tak ada visible change, cannot conduct electricity. So that means to say I have organic solvent there. So dia bukan it is an alkaline, bukan, langsung not about alkaline. Dia sebab dia ada organic solvent dengan dia. So tak ada air, dia memang tak ada air. You already said what? In X you put water. In Y you put tetrachloromethane. So memang Y tak ada water. So can
Then apa tu ni? Solution Y remains as a neutral molecule.
who giving you answers, my dear?
No, cikgu bukan give answer. Zahir sengaja bising je on Discord.
Okay, he knows you're
Like
having
I
class lah. He knows you.
Ah.
Okay, solution Y remains as a neutral molecule. Okay, Caroline, go ahead, Caroline. Can carry on from here.
Hence, there are no hydrogen ions.
Okay, so teacher add on a bit, and cannot ionize. It's neutral molecule, so it cannot ionize. Therefore, it cannot ionize, therefore there is no hydrogen ions present. Class, are you following, teacher?
Yes, yeah.
Remember, whenever soalan tanya solvent, you only got two types. Jangan fikir pasal benda lain. One is water, and if water, you will always see reaction happening. And if got no reaction, that means it is an organic solvent. Okay, Mugni, 1 mark for you there. Caroline, another mark for you there. Okay, next question. Okay, in the experiment, then teacher had 8.0 cm cube of solution X, 0.6 mole per decimeter cube. This is my solution X, yeah. My solution X is an acid. They say it is hydrogen chloride. So teacher write down here. This is my HCl. Okay, it requires 20 centimeter cube of barium hydroxide. This is my alkaline. Okay, to complete the reaction. Name the type of reaction occurred. Teacher's going to call out names, yeah? I want Hurin to answer teacher. What is the type of reaction here, Hurin? Okay, it's okay. Think about acid plus alkaline. This is acid, this is plus alkaline. What is the name of it? Okay, never mind. If you can think about it, slowly think about it. Can I have more? What is the name of this reaction, Mo?
Neutralization.
Correct. Whenever an acid reacts with an alkaline, it is neutralization. Never mind. We see the questions. Next time we know how to answer. Teacher, move on. I want Nick Mardia. Write the chemical equation for teacher Nick. I've got HCl plus barium hydroxide. If cannot do, say cannot do. If want to try, say can try. It's up to you.
I'm not sure.
Okay, you're not sure. Not okay, never mind. Munira, would you like to try, Munira?
Tak tahu je. Tak tahu, Chef.
Okay, tak tahu. Okay, never mind. Okay, we do together. Okay, hydrochloric acid is H. Who wants to try? HCl plus. Who would like to try?
BaOH.
Sorry.
BaOH.
Okay. Can anyone tell me whether BaOH is correct or wrong?
I think wrong, Chef.
It's not correct, yeah? It is actually Ba is 2 plus. OH is minus. So whenever nak dapatkan your chemical formula, mesti darab silang. BaOH2. Vin dapat tak, Vin?
Teacher.
Okay. Vin, okay. What will I get? This is acid plus base. I told you just now already got 3 reactions. When acid plus base, what must I get?
Water.
Very good. Water is my side product. Good job. What's the other one? Win 1 mark, I me 1 mark.
Salt.
Salt.
BCl.
Okay. Vin, go again. Vin, okay. Naim 1 mark, Caroline 1 mark. Okay, Vin, I want to hear your answer.
BCl2.
BACL2. I baru nak betulkan him. Okay, BACL2. Okay, now I want all of you all to balance it for teacher. Something is not balanced.
2 in front of water.
Okay, 2 in front of water. Yes, that is 1. Some more.
So is it 2 in front of BA?
No.
2
Two
in
in
front of
front of
CL. HCl.
Correct. Okay, Kevin 1 mark, Caroline 1 mark. 2 in front of HCl. That is correct. Okay, so this is your equation. If you cannot do this equation on the spot, never mind. Some of us, we need more time writing it down. Then we get it. Teacher, so over time, practice baru dapat. Okay, they will never give you a free equation for you to do nothing. Never. Whenever they give you an equation, it's for you to write down now to find concentration of something. So you see, find the concentration of barium hydroxide in this solution. Now, if you see a neutralization question and they ask you to calculate something, your formula is MAVA over MBVB is equals to A over B. Are we clear? Actually, the A, small B. Teacher made a mistake. What is my capital M here?
Molarity?
Okay, very good. 1 mark. Molarity for A is acid. Actually, all my A's must be small. Okay, and B also. Okay, molarity for acid. What is VA?
Volume.
Volume of acid, correct. Okay, what is my MB? 1 mark, Naim anyway.
Molarity of base.
Molarity of base, what's my VB?
Volume of base.
Okay, volume of base. Okay, so that is one thing. Now, A over B is, okay, when I have, what is the coefficient in front of my acid? What is the number in front of my acid? I go to my acid. What is the number in front of my acid here?
2.
Okay, so then the answer will be 2. I go to my base. What is the number in front of my base here?
1.
Very good. 1. Excellent, yeah? So that is my A over B. Now, teacher wants you to try. I told you already what is MAVA, MBVB. Oops. I want you to look at my question. You pergi cari sendiri dan you bagi jawapan ke cikgu sekarang. All the values are up there. Everything is there. Cikgu nak kamu cuba. Adib, boleh follow tak, Adib?
Boleh je.
Okay. Tak tahu tanya ya, Adib?
Okey.
Teacher give you 30 seconds to do. Can you set a timer for 30 seconds? 30 seconds. Yeah. Thank you, darling. Can do or not, y'all? Are y'all doing?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Thank you, darling.
Try it 0.06 mole per decimeter cube.
Okay, so Caroline got that answer, yeah? Okay. I'm not going to give the answer yet. Okay, and different people can have different answers, yeah? So, Caroline, wait, huh? We wait for the rest. I want to hear the rest of the answer. Doesn't mean the answer is correct, yeah? If you got a different answer. Timer finish.
Sir, I got 1.2.
Okay, one got 1.2, one got 0.6. Uh-oh. Okay, other answers? I didn't get both these answers also. So any other answers? Hurin, Farah, Shahira, Mugni, Adib.
Not 0.6, it's 0.06.
0.06. Okay, how about the rest of you? What did you get? Hurin, what did you get, Hurin?
0.06, sure.
Oh, maybe my calculation is wrong. Could be. Okay, Munira, what did you get, Munira?
Tak tahu je.
Okay, tak tahu. Okay, very good. At least you're honest. Mugni, what did you get, Mugni?
Masa kita naik je.
Okay, so let's see whether Punchina's maths is bad or not. So let's see. What is my MA? From here, I can find out what is my MA. How to know it's a molarity? I must always end with decimeter cube. How I know this is my acid? Because solution X, as now I know, is HCl. So teacher put in 0.6. Okay, what is my VA? Mardia, what is my VA here, Mardia?
$8.0.
Very good. It is 8.0. Correct. Yeah, it's already given in the question. Good job. Okay, I go to my MB. Naim, what is my MB? My molarity for barium hydroxide.
137. Barium hydroxide, right, teacher?
I'm asking you for my molarity. Yeah, molarity. Or what's my concentration for barium hydroxide? My MB here.
2192.
Okay, no, actually the question is asking me to find for the MB. So a teacher doesn't know, it's an unknown, yeah? So teacher going to times, what is my volume for my alkaline or my base? What is my volume for my base? Anyone can answer, teacher. Answer is up there.
20.
20, correct, Munira. Okay, it's equals to, okay, I already did this with y'all. Go to acid. What is the number in front of acid here?
2.
2. Go to as alkaline. What's the number here? The number is 1. Okay, let's see how Puan Cina darab silang. Boleh darab silang juga dia ya. Okay, so 20 times 2 is 40 MB. Okay, 40 MB is equals to 0.6 times 8 is how much?
4.8.
4.8. Okay, so MB is equals to 4.8 divided by 40. What do you all get?
0.12.
Okay, let me check. Let me check. What did everybody get?
0.12.
0.12. Okay, teacher lagi lah. I put my answer there 0.3. Don't know how teacher counted. Okay, 4.8 divided by 40. 0.12 correct. Okay, 0.12 mole per decimeter cube. Correct. Okay, and it must be correct, okay, because is double. See, it's double here. So it must be 0.12. How did you get 0.06, Caroline?
Actually, I times 2 with the MV and times 40 and times 20 times 2. So like I separated it.
Cannot. Must darab silang this way, yeah?
Teacher.
Okay. The last question I'm going to do in 5 minutes. I don't know how we are going to do it, but we are going to do it. Last question in 5 minutes, okay? What is the changes in the litmus paper? Okay, so remember, dilution, one formula, neutralization, one formula. Later before class ends, I will check with you again. What is the color change of the litmus paper in Q and R? Both of them I'm using an aqueous solution. Aqueous solutions mean got presence of water. What will my color change be in the blue litmus paper?
Blue to
Red.
Very good. Blue to red. Aimi and Munira, 1 mark. Okay, blue to red. You cannot say red only. Must say blue to red. Must have the color change. Must have 2 colors. Okay, can another question? Another person. What is the formula of the ion that is causing these color changes?
H plus.
Very good. It is a H plus ions. Good job. Okay, you're doing well. Okay, why? Okay, why is there is there any other color change? Sorry, is there any color change in P? P is dry glacial ethanoic acid. Are there any changes?
No, teacher.
Okay, very good. The answer is no. Good job. Okay. All those have been answering, teacher. Yeah. Wait. What happened to my screen? Sudah lari this one. Okay, the answer is no. Why? Why no? What's the keyword I've been telling you?
No
It's-
presence of water.
Very good. Point number 1, no presence of water. So if water is not present, therefore, I don't really care about the water. What do I actually want?
no hydrogen ions.
Very good. Therefore, hydrogen ions are not present. That is the key thing. The reason why I can't show any reaction is because there are no hydrogen ions. Okay, you did this in class with me this morning. Okay, my pH value of aqueous solution of ethanoic acid is higher than dilute hydrochloric acid. Both of them 0.1 mole, 0.1 mole. But ethanoic acid, look at the question. Is there a mistake in the question? You think? Look at the pH value. Do you think the
Ethanoic acid dekat graf tu lagi rendah daripada hydrochloric acid.
Ya, so tak boleh salah Okay, supposed to be dilute hydrochloric acid is 1.0. Okay, ethanoic acid must be 2.9. Okay, because it is a weak acid. So the question is asking you, why is ethanoic acid's pH higher than dilute hydrochloric acid? We did this in class today. Who would like to try for teacher? 3 sentences. The concentration is the same, but the pH is different. Why? Or if you don't know, just say, teacher, I don't know, I don't remember. Can you help? Say like that, teacher will help.
Don't know, teacher.
Okay, Naim doesn't know. Anyone else?
Me too.
Okay, let me, teacher, go through again, yeah? Okay, so we go through the concept again. So ethanoic acid is a strong acid or a weak acid?
Weak.
Very good. Ethanoic acid is a weak acid. So when it is a weak acid, it will dissociate partially or completely.
Partially.
Very good. Teacher is going to put only the word dis because no space. Dissociate partially in water to produce what? A high concentration or low concentration?
Low.
Okay, good.
Low.
To produce, cikgu tak cukup tempat ni a low concentration of hydrogen ions. Naim and Munira, do you get this first line here?
Yes, sir.
Okay, point number 2. Somebody else already, yeah? Not Vin and Munira again, yeah? Okay, I want to go to hydrochloric acid pula. Hydrochloric acid is a what?
Strong acid.
Okay, good job. Muni 1 mark. It's a strong acid. Okay, another person. So if it's strong acid, then it will what?
Ionizes completely in water.
Okay, so teacher put dissociate. Ionize pun boleh, both words also okay. Ionizes completely in water. In exam kan, tengah students, they put ionize completely. Tak boleh, dia kena in water, yeah? To produce what? Another person.
High concentration of hydrogen ions.
Very good. A high concentration of hydrogen ions. Good. Okay, so now tell me. One got low concentration, one got high concentration. What's my last mark? You must kaitkan the concentration to the pH. That's my last mark. Teacher help you. The lower the concentration of hydrogen ions. Okay. What about the pH?
The
The
lower.
higher the pH.
Yes, me correct. The higher the pH. Why? You see, teacher use the lower the concentration. Lower concentration is a weak acid. A weak acid will always have high pH. If let's say teacher never write this sentence, but I write something else. The higher the concentration of hydrogen ions, the lower the pH. Do you all agree with teacher?
Yes.
Yes, correct. Because kalau cikgu ada high concentration of hydrogen ions, it's a strong acid. Dan memang kalau dia strong acid, pH dia rendah. It's a lower pH. So you can choose sentence 3 or sentence 4. I mentioned in my class today, answering like this in essay, you get full 5 marks. Full 5 marks. Okay? All right. Teacher will actually stop at this last thing here, yeah? I think it's enough for y'all.